Welcome to Craw Security. I am Satish Kumar Sharma. In this session, we will discuss about these commands. So, what is the commands that we use in Linux? So, in Linux, we can use date command, PASSWD command, file command, cat command. What is the basic use of these commands, and what is the advance of use these commands? So, I will show you. Because in Linux, every command has some options. So that is also option. So what are the options that are used in date command? And we can also use the options by other commands. And what are the options used by file command, cat command, and what is cat command, file command, PASSWD command, and date. In this session, we will discuss about date command. In detail, I will show you these lot of options. I will show you this one by one. So, in this session, we will discuss only these commands. So, I will show you this practically. So, in this session, I will cover what is date. First, what is date? So I want to check what is the use of this particular command. As I told you earlier session, we can use man command to check all the data related to the date command. All the documentation has its own documentation. So by this particular command, we can print or set the system date and time. So we can check what is the time of my system and what is the date of my system. So we can use this one command. It has a lot of options because every command has options, and we can follow some formats also. In this command, what are the formats that we can use by this command? So these are the options. In this command, we can use these options, and this is the format. Format means we use the sign percentile, and after that we use some options. We can use A option, double A option, B option. So we have a lot of options. Some of these that are mostly used. So I will show you what is the use of this one, what is the use of this one. So I will show. Then when we perform this particular command, this command show me the output. In this output, we have the day, month, this is the date, and this is the timestamp, and this is the time zone, and this is the image. But I won't display only time, I won't display only date and the other formats. So we can use options. So by performing this particular command, your date and time will be appear on the screen. Suppose if we use this particular command, then use percentile, then perform X. So what it will display? I want only this one. What is the date of today? So it will show me it's 10, it's month, it's your date, and it's your year. It will only show me the date also. When we perform X in a capital letter, so what it will do? It will show me only the time. So what is the time? When we want to perform the time, so it will show me. So this is 8:04 because at this time, and I want to change this particular time, we can also change this particular. It will show me the time in 24-hour session. It will show the time in 12 hours format. So we can check this. When we perform other option, when we perform R, it will show me the time also. And when we perform R in a capital letter, it will show me the time in 24 hours format. So by using this one, we can check the 12 hours, and it's show me the time regarding to 24 hours. So I will show you. And we have lot of other options also. So what are the other options? I will show you. Man, suppose you want to check this one. So what is the use of this particular command? It will locate full weekdays name, and we want to this one. So what it will show me? It will show me. I will perform the date. So I will show you one by one. So what is the use of? Then use plus sign, then percentile. By using the percentile, again type the date. Okay. We perform two commands at the same time. So it will only show me the day. What is the day of today? So this will show me the day. It's Tuesday. And when we type A in a simple, so what it will show me? In a short format. So it will abbreviate this particular. When we want to check this in a long format, so it will show me a full, and this will show me the short format. So I will check this. We have lot of other commands also. We want to check only the name of the months. So we can use B in a capital. So I will show this one also. This will show me October. And I will show this in a capital. So what it will display? It will display the full name of the month. So like this particular way, we can use the date command. So date is used to check the date and time setting. And by using the options, we can use the other one. I want to specify. So basically the use of options to specify, to change the behavior of the command. So it will not performing the default behavior, because this is the default behavior of this command. By using these options, you can change the behavior. What I want to rectify, it will show me. So this one. So by using these options. So in next, so I have completed this one. In next command, I will show you the what is the use of PASSWD. So as the name of the command is passed, it means it is related to the password. What is the use of this? It's related to the password. Password means we want to change its own password. So we can also change my own password. And we want to change the password of another user. We can also change the password of another user. But who will perform this particular task? It will be performed by the regular user, and it will be performed by the super user. Mostly super user. So in Linux, what is the super user? It's a root. So root is the super user who will perform, who can do all your tasks in the system. But regular user can change the password, its own password, not the others user. So if you want to change its own password, so you can change. Like this. I'm creating a user in front of you. It's a user 001. It's already created. So 011. I will take it. So this user will be created, and I want to assign the new password. So who can assign? This one. At this time, root is my super user. So who will assign? Root. So root is the super user who can assign the password of this particular users. So how I will assign the password? And type PASSWD command and give name of the user. So what did it display me? Changing password for user. The username is user 001. Sorry, 011. So give the new password. I will assign the password. It will show me that password because it take the password in some alphabets, some letters, and numerical also, and special character also. So it don't show me this particular error. But I will perform just so again retype the password. So the password will be updated. So now we log into this particular user 001. To log in my machine, which one is the command? SU command. SU. What is the use of this? This one is called login --login. So I will show you this in deep in the next screen. So we want to change my own password. So it will require the current password also. Any user change its own password. Suppose if you are working in your machine and you go out from your laptop and anyone can change your password, but he can change your password if you know. If no one else has the current password, so he can't change the present password. So I know the present, so type the present password, it means current password. What is the new password? So it will take a complex password. So I will type a complex password, then retype again. So my password has been changed. We can see. So I will see the password will be changed. So now we want to change the password of any other user. Suppose this is my username and I want to change the password of this particular user. So any regular user can't change the password of other regular user, any user. So this is the command we perform to change the password, but only the super user, only the root user can change the password of any other. But if we want to change my own password, so we can change. So any regular user can change its own password, not for the other. So this is the use of this one command. Then I will show you what is the use of file command. So this is my third command. I will show you. So what is file? I want to check its knowledge about this particular command. What is file? So I will check. So what is file? Determine file type. We in Linux there is no need to assign the extension, but we want to check what is the format of this particular file, this particular folder. So we can check we want to check it's a block file, it's a directory, it's a regular file, it's a character file. So we can check by using this particular command. So how I will check? I will show. So when we type file, then type only slash. So what is slash? This is your root directory. It's your directory in where we can reinstall my OS. In this particular directory, we have installed my OS. We can check this. In this particular directory, we have installed my OS. So this one. So this is a directory where your mount point is assigned. So I will check this. When we perform file command using with that, it is a directory. So this is a dev directory. So dev is a directory. When we use this with another command /etc PASSWD. So what is this? This is your text file. It's not a directory. This is a directory, but in this directory we perform this one. So this is the confession file for the user. It has the information about all the users related data. When we perform dev SRT, so what it will show me? So it's your regular file. This is your directory, and this is your block special file. So it will show me the type of the files. So what is the type of this particular file? What is the type of this particular file? We can show. So now we will check the another one. When we perform TTY1, so what it will show me? It's a character file. So this is also a file. This type of file is this. This is your character file. So I will show this. Then we will move to the next one also. So this is the last command of this particular session. So what is the use of this particular command? So this is cat. So what is cat? It's called concatenate. So I will show this. What is cat? Cat means concatenate files. It will print on the standard output. So it will show me the output of any file. We want to view the content of any file, so we can check. We can use this particular. So this command is used to check the content from any file. So use this one. So it will show me all the content of this particular file. So this file has this particular content, also this one. So we can check. If we want to filter this, we do not want all the contents. We want to view this particular only. So what I will do, perform this command. I will show you in detail this one command also in detail, because this command have lot of options, like what is the use of -w, what is the use of other command. So I will show you. Suppose when we use perform w, so it will show me the output, different output. So I will show you this command in detail. I am performing this one command only. So what is the use of this particular command? So this command will show me what is in this particular file. From this particular file, we want to view only this particular information. So this is the information of only this particular information. So we want to view any file, we can use cat. Suppose we want to create a file, so we can also use cat command. So cat is also used to create the file. Cat is also used to view the file also. So what is the use of cat? Cat is used to create the file, and also used to view the file. View the file. So how I will perform this? How I will show you the view concept. So it will show, and I want to create a file. So use cat, then give the name of any file that you want to create. Suppose I am performing craw underscore secure underscore file01. I want to create this particular file, and I want some text in this particular file. So type the text. This is an institute of ethical hacking, cyber security, cyber and others. Linux related to RedHat, all the courses of RedHat, CCNA. We deal also with CCNA and others. All the CCNA and others. So save this particular file. Press Ctrl D. So we want to save this particular file. Which command is used? ctrl plus D to save this. And I want to view what is in this particular file. So just select this particular and type shift insert. So there is no need to and right click then paste. It will paste by using shift insert. So in this particular file, what is the data? This is the data. So we are dealing with Craw Security. In this, we can learn about ethical hacking, cyber security, Linux, all the courses of RedHat, CCNA, and other things. So in this session, I will perform only these commands. In next session, I will perform the. Thank you.